We lock the print head with this to prevent damage from collisions during transportation. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws on both sides. Take off the protective cover of the print head. Now start to install the printhead cable. There are 4 in total. When installing, you need to align the jacks and plug them in tightly and align them. Do not use too much force to damage the cable. Place the printhead according to the video position. Tighten all screws. Carefully tear open the film. Align and install the ink sac. It is recommended not to insert it tightly before drawing ink. Remove all screws on the top cover of the machine. Please store the screws carefully to avoid losing them. First, remove all the screws on the head panel cover and open it. Align the jacks and install the cable. Please be careful not to damage the cable. After plugging the cable in, cover the head panel cover again and tighten the screws. Install the top cover of the machine back as it was. Next we're gonna load the film. First use a hexagonal screwdriver to unscrew all screws and remove the roller below. Install film A on the roller and carefully put it back in place. Tighten it with a screwdriver. Pull out a portion of film A to the print panel according to the video. Unscrew all the screws on the upper roller. Remove the roller. Install the waste paper on the roller. Tighten all the screws. Now remove the roller in front of the machine body. Now install film B on the roller. Use the handle of the screwdriver to tap the retaining clip to tighten it. Tighten all the screws with the hexagon screwdriver. Link film A and waste paper and press the button to rotate them. For easier alignment, we recommend that you now put film A and film B together. We marked each ink bottle with CMYKW varnish. Open the ink cartridge cover. Pour the ink into the bulk ink bottles one by one. Use a syringe to complete the ink filling. You have to be very careful in this process. Make sure that your hands are dry during operation. Turn it upside down. Hold both sides of the ink damper, do not touch the middle place to prevent the ink from being squeezed out. Draw slowly and firmly until the ink fills the damper. And then insert the ink damper back into the print heads. Click on the cleaning operation and print test strip to confirm the printing status.